I've got you right where I want you. No, please, let me go. Get ready for your demise. Wait, how did you do that? Do what? Every time you stop talking, lightning strikes. Oh, that? Yeah, it's just to make everything I say sound super evil. What? But how? I have a deal with the devil. Whenever I stop talking, he knows when to push the button. Thanks. Wait, so lightning is just a button? Yeah, and volcanoes are man-made. Any last questions? Hey, what am I paying you for? What are you gonna do to me? I'm gonna push you off the cliff. Okay, you know what? Can we tone it down with the lightning, dude? Yeah, you're really being overdramatic. Sorry. It's okay. But why? What did I do to deserve this? Because you forgot to wish me a happy birthday. Ooh, that was pretty cool. Wait, I did? When's your birthday? Great question. Let's see if the fall jogs your memory. Ow!